We guys, kunomlungu uzoqhamuka la ufika every day umlungu nizombona masefikile uyeza manje ikhathi zakhe funa nimbone ukuthi yini la yenzayo every day usuka la usuka khona uzochitha izinto la. Guys, and it should be. Yeah, come on. What's that? I'm delaying. Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kune video lapha enkundleni yokuqhumana yemlungu lobonakala thelanyana something egedeni kuthiwa lo mlungu lona hleza yenda Orlando lena kuthiwa nje na unesikhathi sakhe lesisodwa lafika ngaso kuleya ndzawo afika thela hashahashe lokusamuthana lafika kuthele lapha phansi kuthiwa nje nakahlali owangafiki everyday baze bamlinze knowing ukuthi utoqhamuka utovela njengoba semvile lo sesikokuthi utovela kungaze kudzala hayi nembala vele washavela mlungu wathela laphana guys. Hlezi ngiva bathi belungu ba blind nge-witchcraft we think ukuthi belungu abaloyi belungu abendi black magic kuthiwa bashaya i-black magic lenzima belungu ongeke uze ubakhona but sine sathi ukuthi bantu labaloya kubantu labamnyama abantu lababhizi nge-black magic bantu labamnyama nje uma utohlalela edorobheni kude umuntu banenzaba nawo kude umuntu okuloya kanti bathi hey asibhutanga oyelangeni kuthiwa nje belungu bantswempu nge-black magic. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.